that member countries, whether they were building new nuclear power plants or moving away from nuclear power, all have a challenge with decommissioning nuclear power plant facilities. And that's something that doesn't always present tremendous technical challenges, but it is a very important policy challenge from many perspectives. This is an area where there are significant technical challenges. This is an area where there are really many questions. We have talked at the NEA, for example, about issues such as how do we deal with irradiated graphite. This is one that comes up from time to time. This will be a good committee to take on issues like that that come up in the context more often of legacy activities from experimental facilities, from research activities that have significant cleanup issues, that have presented some lessons learned that can be applied more broadly. We should be looking at how to take advantage of that knowledge and that wisdom.